Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm sure today we're going to be doing a clean with me. I am just trying to motivate myself to get up. I've been sitting on the couch here for like, I don't know, like 15 minutes or so. I just put my daughter Ellie down for a nap, so hopefully she takes a good nap for at least an hour or so we can get all this done. If she wakes up, that's fine. We can still continue. But yeah, I just have some general things to clean up. It was my husband's birthday the other day, so I have some decorations. You can see that happy birthday balloon and just some gifts and stuff that I want to put away. I still have the cake stand out. I went and sold some clothes the other day as well, so I have a couple bags to just like put away and decide if I'm going to donate it or I don't know, I'll donate it. It came back, usually my rule is after I try to sell stuff, if they don't take it, I should just go straight to Goodwill, but I brought it back in the house, which is like a cardinal sin. You can't do that. Because if it comes back in the house, then like it finds its way back to your closet. Anyway, so yeah, I just have some stuff to put away, have the kitchen to clean up. I think I have to unload the dishwasher. I don't even remember if I did that yet today. Clean up our bedroom a little bit, laundry, fold laundry, you know the deal. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of motivation. I know I need it right now. The video itself is what's motivating me to get up and go ahead and clean. But let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this. It would mean the world to me. And let's just go ahead. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me. So as you can tell, it is now Christmas time. It is, what is it, December 4th while I am editing this, and I just wanted to apologize. I took about a month off of YouTube. November was such a crazy month for Steven and I. We had just so much going on, and on top of it all, I actually ended up getting my appendix out, which was totally unexpected. So that slowed me down a little bit. I'm doing totally better, completely better now. But yeah, we just had a lot going on, so I had to take some time off, but I hope you don't mind. The next couple of videos are going to be a little outdated. This one was filmed, I think, like the first week of November, and then the next, I did film 2 or 3 other videos, I think, in November. So anyway, I filmed, but I just didn't have time to edit. Okay, anyway, back to the video. Here's what we're starting with. I can't even remember if I'm like so out of it. Did I even show you guys the before? I don't even remember. But those are the clothes that I need to just put back in the car and bring them to the donation center. Some packages to open and put away. I'm gonna keep this out. This is Ellie's big foam play mat, and I love that. I put it right here. That way she can play on the floor while I'm doing whatever. Usually I just get down and play with her, but if I'm doing things around the house, she's safe on that. Our room, I need to put away some laundry, make the bed, laundry. I need to fold stuff that's in Ellie's, I need to fold stuff that's in the dryer. I think Ellie's clothes are in the dryer. These are Steven's gifts that he got. We got a fire pit. Well, he got a fire pit, but, and then I got him this. He's so excited about it. It's a, Wi-Fi barbecue thermometer. He was so excited about this. I'll link it down below. It's just from Amazon, but it's just like a really fun gadget if your husband or someone in your family enjoys cooking and grilling. And then this guy is on YouTube. I assume his name is Dan, but Steven's really into his videos. He thinks they're so funny. But he makes, sorry, it's not focusing. He makes this seasoning. I'll link this down below too. I got it on Amazon. The original and the spicy, so he was super excited. That made a really nice gift. This is just a cover to the fire pit, and then I also got some pickleball rackets. We've been into pickleball recently. Clothes, returns. I got these cute, sorry, this is also turning into like a little Amazon haul, isn't it? But I got these little socks for Ellie. So cute, but unfortunately they came stained, so I reached out to Amazon and they refunded me. So I need to send these back and then order new ones, but aren't these so cute? I can't wait to see her little legs in these. So we're getting family photos done in like, I think it's about 2 weeks, and I'm still waiting for some of the outfit choices I ordered to come in, but I thought that these little socks would be so cute. Of course, like I actually needed the white ones and that's the one that was stained. So anyway, that's cute. Anyway, gotta put away this stuff, unload the dishwasher, deal with all this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Sorry, that was a really long intro, but yes, let's go.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. I wanna do it all with you by my side. Bring fear in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. This or Tuesday night. A drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Alright guys, well I just finished up. It's actually like 8 o'clock at night. I had to do the dishes and the laundry, some of the laundry later at night because Ellie was a little bit fussy during the day, but that's okay. I just finished up, so here's what our bedroom looks like. My husband just needs to deal with that. And I don't think I showed you guys the updated bathroom. In one of my last cleaning videos, I said that I hated that wire rack, so got rid of that and put up these shelves that actually used to be in our kitchen. And I feel like it just looks a lot cleaner and just more our style. So I just have Q-tips in there, a little candle, and yeah, I think it looks nice and simple, so happy with that. And then I still need to take down that happy birthday balloon, but the living room is pretty good. Just organized over there. Still need to deal with those boxes, but I'll deal with that some other time. That's just a throw pillow, but the dogs love to sit on it. don't ask me why they have this bed, but they always sit on it. I just have some returns on that chair, but table's all cleared off. Kitchen's nice and clean. Have dinner going, got 3 minutes left till it's ready. And laundry you guys saw, so ongoing laundry, that's like the thing that never ends. But yeah, so all cleaned up, feels good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.